What's up, everybody? I'm back with another Tool Deals video. And today we about to be talking about, we have some deals obviously, but we're going to be talking about this giveaway that's about to go down. So the last time I did a giveaway was January 2023. And I was supposed to do one in February 2023. And this was going to be one of the things I was going to give away. And I don't know what happened to the time. I don't know. But here we are. 2024 in March, basically April. So I'm going to be giving away this gas leak detector. One of you yesterday said, you're going to give away the old XTOOL Diagnostic tool? Look, sir, I got like 20-some thousand subscribers, okay? I don't make nearly enough money to be giving away some things that cost hundreds of dollars. I'm trying to think of a way, though. So stay tuned. I'm asking you guys about that. But anyway, I'm gonna be giving away this gas leak detector. It's going to start on Monday, okay? And so I'll release all the details of that then. But this is a gas leak detector by Top Test. I've used this thing for quite a while now, over a year, like a year and a half, a little longer than that, and it works great. It works really, really great. I use this to service my fireplace specifically, and it works wonders. I think that everyone should have something like this around in the house. I've made a video on it that I'll link up here in the upper right hand corner. So this will be the first item, and I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things over here to give away, along with some other things I'll come up with in the future. So that's that. Stay tuned for details. Let's get on with the deal. First up, we have over here at Home Depot this old school starter kit with a single 5 amp hour battery and the charger. That thing's usually $199, it's $179, and it's on a BOGO. And here are the items you can choose from. So you have this hacksaw on here twice. I don't know what that's about. $129. Then you have the vacuum. I personally like this vacuum. I don't know why it only has 4 stars. This angle grinder, orbital sander, a 6.5-inch circular saw, the job site radio. I don't think this thing is Bluetooth, so keep that in mind. You might not want to go that route. A reciprocating saw, a non-fuel oscillating tool, and this rover light. So if you add any of these, let's say if you wanted the angle grinder, of course it's going to recalibrate all of the prices. And there you have it, $81 for this angle grinder. You can go ahead and play around with the other tools as you please. Wanted to show you that over at Home Depot. Now, before we get into this deal, I just want to say if you've been liking the video so far, you're excited about the giveaway, you appreciate that Milwaukee deal, leave me a like for my services, okay? Pay me in likes, all right? And make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any deals in the future. Moving on, back over to Amazon. I posted this video reviewing this yesterday. I just want to let you know that the deal is going to be running for a few days to get this for $404. There's a very good scanner. It's bi-directional, which means not only does it pull information from the car, but you can send information and signals to the car to make the seats move, the steering wheel move, and to activate different modules within the car to make sure they're still functioning correctly. And this is their newer updated version of the D7, which is now wireless. You don't have to deal with that big, thick cord, and it works really, really well. This will be $404. It comes with 3 years of updates. After that, you have to pay for a subscription to get the updates. But the updates will be for like newer cars. So this is really for professional mechanics. But if you had a couple cars at home and you wanted the real deal Holyfield scan tools, this will be it. So you can go ahead and watch the video from yesterday to see the review on that. The coupon code will be in the description to get this for $404. Moving on over back to eBay again. I don't know how long the 30% is going to be going on at Tools Direct. Maybe this sale slowed down. I don't know. Or maybe it's going to be temporary. But the 30% is back. So I'll leave this page here so for you to go through. But I did pick out a couple good ones. It's a whole lot more good ones. Like this Milwaukee cutoff tool, $99 with an extra 30% off. It's $13 of them available. That will make this bad boy $66, okay? And remember your Rakuten. You have Rakuten with 1% cash back. If you're new to Rakuten, you never used it before, never signed up, use the link in the description and you'll get an extra $30 bonus on top of the 1% cash back. Now, also, I wanted to remind you guys of buying items from Tools Direct. I haven't given this disclaimer in a while. This stuff is labeled as used, but they're returns or non-pickups. So if someone special orders something and they never went and picked it up in the store, it'll be fresh in the box. Every single thing I've gotten from Tools Direct was brand new in the box. Well, not everything. I got some dehumidifiers and they were returns, but they were still in good shape. Still had the tape on them and everything. It was basically brand new. So keep that in mind. Make sure everything that's supposed to be in the box is in the box, and be careful with your returns with them because they will block you. So if you do have a legitimate issue, you can reach out to them. If not, all this stuff, these are Home Depot returns. Use your brain. Moving on. We have this Ryobi vacuum cleaner kit. The kit, this is the single brush version, but it's still really good. Brushless. Comes with a 4-amp-hour high output battery and a charger for $150 with the 30% off. That'll make that bad boy $100. Great deal there. I have this vacuum. I like it a lot. It also stands up on its own, which is rare for these stick vacuums. It's a really good vacuum. I love it. Then we have this DeWalt impact wrench. So let me show you what impact wrench this is. It's this one. I'll pull it up over at Zorro. It's this one. Produces 450 foot-pounds of nut-busting torque, along with 300 foot-pounds of fastening. Nice little impact wrench. So what are we talking about over here? This is $99 with an extra 30% off. $66 for this thing. That's, yes, you're looking at it, $226, $66. Have at it. Now, that's the thing with the DeWalt ones. They're not allowed to show the pictures of the DeWalt tool, so you got to look at the model number. So this one is the hammer drill, XR hammer drill, and atomic impact driver combo kit. $229 with 30% off. Let me do some math and see what that'll be. That'll be $160. So let me show you what you're going to get. So here it is over at Acme Tools. You will be getting this kit exactly. I mean, shoot. This impact driver is incredible. This is a good impact driver right here. And you have this hammer drill, also very good. 2 4-amp-hour batteries and a charger for $160. And they have 5 of them available. After this video is over and you watch this, tomorrow it better be none available. That's a fantastic deal right there. Moving on over to Lowe's. This is on a special buy today. I just wanted to let you guys know, don't be bamboozled. Have some patience, because for $139 you can get this when this goes back on sale as a BOGO, and get the drill, get the impact driver, get the charger, 2 2-amp-hour batteries, a bag, and then you'll be able to choose this impact wrench as a free gift for an extra $60. Don't be crazy. Wait for that deal to come along. Finally, we're going to end up over here at Facebook, on the Facebook group, and let's talk about what Francisco found over at Lowe's. He got this Flex impact wrench, which, I mean, it's okay. It's an okay impact wrench. It's not like, you know, like none of the Milwaukees, DeWalt's, or Metabo HPTs, or Bosch's even, but it does perform decent, especially for $59.07. Crazy. All right? Crazy. Now, also, we have Julio over here. Julio was able to get the DeWalt table saw, 60-volt cordless one, for $200. I think that joint is normally like, that's like normally $600 or something like that. Something reckless. And there's been quite a few people in the Facebook group that was able to get it. And that is it for today's video. Hopefully it was helpful. See you guys next time. Now, before we get into this deal, I just want to say, if you've been liking the video so far, you appreciate, you're excited about the giveaway, you appreciate that Milwaukee deal, leave me a like for my services, okay? Pay me in likes, all right? And make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any deals in the future.